Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, Assalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah, Nabiyina Muhammadin sallallahu alaihi wasallam wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Okay, previous lesson we learned about hada. Hada means ismu isyara. It is ismu isyara bil qarib, which is near, bil qarib, which is near. Then it is for muzakkar, which is for masculine, and singular, which is mufrad. In Arabic, it's called mufrad. In English, we call singular. In English, singular. In Arabic, mufrad. Mufrad, mufrad, muzakkar means for masculine and singular. We use hada. Today, we will learn about instrument of questioning. Here we learn two. One is ma. The other is a hamza. And then we also learn the instrument of jawab, answering, which is na'am, and also la. Okay. Ma in Arabic, there's so many types of ma. One of it is ismul istifham. Ismul istifham. Ismul istifham means noun of questioning. Okay, we have learned noun before, but for ma, we don't see any characteristic of noun. Okay, but in Nahu, the scholars have named ma as isim, istifham. So we take it as isim, istifham. All right. Okay, when you say ma, it means what? It means what? Ma, it means what? Okay, but when you use hada baitun, is this, is hada, is this, is this a house? Hamza here has a chair. Hamza has a chair. The chair of Hamza here is alif. So the Hamza has a consonant. Here, means is this. Is this. Is mean is. If you are using hada baitun means a sentence of which means hada baitun means this is a house. This is a house. How you want to change this sentence into a question? You simply add hamza. Hada baitun, it becomes a question. Okay. Then the instrument of answering is na'am. Na'am is harful jawab. Harful jawab. Jawab. This is harful istifham. This is harful jawab. This is ismul istifham. Okay. I think it's clear. Ma is a question. Ma is isim istifham. Hamza is harful istifham. Na'am is jawab harful jawab. That goes for la. La is also harful jawab. Okay. Having known what is ma and na'am and la, I think you can answer these questions. Ma hada. What is the meaning of ma hada? Ma means what? Ma means what? Hada. What is this? This. Hada is this. What is this? What is this? If you translate in English, what is this? Ma hada. The answer is hada baitun. This is a house. Is hada baitun a complete sentence? If you say yes, why? Why do you say it is a complete sentence? Why? Because this sentence, jumlatul ismiyah must have a mubtada and khabar. And you can see from here, هذا can see here, هذا is isim ishara, which is ma'rifah. We learned before. هذا is ma'rifah. When it's ma'rifah, it is a mubtada. Whereas baitun is not ma'rifah because it doesn't have a alif lam. It is not ma'rifah. When it's not ma'rifah, it is khabar. So when ma'rifah and nakirah marries together, we get a meaningful sentence. We get a mufidah sentence. Jumlatul mufidah. Okay. So hada baitun. Hada baitun. What is this? This is a house. It is a complete sentence because it has mubtada and a khabar. Right? Next, ahada baitun. Is this a house? Ahada baitun. Is this a house? Na'am. Na'am is a harf. Na'am. Na'am is a harf. It cannot become a mubtada or khabar. Okay? Hada baitun. Hada baitun is a complete sentence. Hada baitun. Like this. Hada baitun. Hada is mubtada. Baitun is khabar. Okay? Next. Ma hada. What is ma hada? Is that the question? Yes. Ma is what? Hada is this. What is this? What is this? Ma is what? Hada is this. What this? In English, you will say, what is this? Okay? The answer is, hada qamisun. Hada qamisun. This is a qamisun. Qamisun. Qamisun is nakira. And hada is ma'rifah. Therefore, hada is mubtada and qamisun is khabar. Go to the next one. Ahada sarirun. Ahada sarirun. Is this a bed? Is this a bed? The answer is la. La means no. هذا كرسي. هذا مبتدا. كرسي is the khabar. So this is a complete sentence. You must bear in mind. If you want to learn Arabic, you want to learn the grammar, you should be asking yourself whenever you come across any Arabic sentences, you will ask yourself which one is mubtada, which one is khabar. If you come across a jumlah ismiyah, jumlatul ismiyah. In Arabic, there are two jumlah. One is jumlah fi'liyah, which starts with verb. Whatever sentence that starts with ism, they are called jumlatul ismiyah. Jumlatul ismiyah. Whenever you come across any sentences, if you are in the group of spoken Arabic, if you're in that group, we used to read dialogues, isn't it? But if you have learned what is mubtada and khabar, try to ask yourself, only yourself. You don't have to ask the group. Ask yourself, whatever you have learned. This is an ismiyah sentence. So where is the khabar and where is the mubtada? That's how you learn grammar. Spoken is just you want to get fluency and you want to understand how. And you want to also learn how the Arabic speaks. But here we want to learn the Arabic grammar, where later on when you read the Quran, if you study in that, you'll be very happy because you know which one is khabar, which one is mubtada, what is the maf'ulun bih, what is fa'il, and so on. So now we are starting only with jumlatul ismiyah. Soon we will cover also verbs, inshallah. Okay, the next is هذا مفتاح. Is this a key? Miftah is a key. هذا مفتاح. Is this a key? Is this a miftah? No, isn't it? So we answer لا. هذا قلم. هذا is مبتدأ. قلم is خبر. هذا قلم. Then there's a question. ما هذا? What is this? هذا نجم. This is a star. This is a star. Okay. All right. We have learned a few mufradats. Baitun, khamisun. Earlier we learned kursiyun, sarirun, maktabun, kitabun, qalamun, miftahun. Khamisun, qalamun, and najmun. You must remember all this. If you want to speak, you have to remember all this, all the mufradats. Okay, we stop here. Inshallah, I'll post quizzes in the group. And inshallah, I will also touch on a verb, introduction of verb, inshallah.